Sustainability has been part of Lutze since 2011, when the Skyblue Sustainability Initiative was launched. Lutze's new eco-switches, with intelligent energy management, reduce the amount of energy required for the length of the cable run. In Kit 4, the 5-port unmanaged eco-switch, with quality of service, can transmit up to 100 meters at 100 megabits per second, Cat5e. The eco-switches can accommodate both industrial-grade and standard RJ45 shielded patch cables alike. This kit contains 5 SFTP patch cables to connect to other devices within your control panel, and the kit is completed with a 22mm panel connector to allow access to the network, without having to open the control panel door.